Yak Gotti's probation got revoked today. This is pure gamesmanship. It is the corrupt Fulton County DA's office who can't stand losing. Let's talk about it. Yeah. This is infuriating. This is so damn infuriating. State of Georgia versus Diamante Kendrick. This case came before the court for consideration of bond. Having consideration the record and the relevant bond factors, the court hereby orders that bond is denied for the following reasons. And there crossed in, defendant poses a significant threat to danger to any person, blah, 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 blah. Complete and utter bullshit. Complete. And poses a significant risk of committing a felony pending trial. And the reason is, defendant has an active probation warrant in criminal action. This number premised on the charges in this case, see attached. Until that probation warrant is resolved, bond is not appropriate in this matter. Now, what is this pile of garbage? It is this one. Warrants for arrest of probationer. To the sheriff of the above named county, blah, 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 against Diamante Kendrick. Probationer is charged with violation of said conditions in willful disregard of a court order, specifically as follows. He was arrested on March 17th by Fulton County Sheriff's Office for 4 counts of unauthorized possession of prohibited items by inmate. Yeah. Which is, what was it? The headphones, the AirPods, and a cheeseburger or whatever crap it was. And he was arrested for aggravated assault in jail. Now, you remember while in this, sorry, going boomering here. When they tried to add this charge against Yak Gotti in the YSL trial, Judge Whitaker said, according to what she saw, it was more or less self-defense. So whatever we heard yesterday on that damn hearing, when the prosecutor stood up, he lied. Because every single prosecutor under District Attorney Fani Willis are corrupt. Every single one of them. There's no more excuses here. Abare might have been is decent, or Hilton usually is decent. No, none of them are, folks. None of them. They are all corrupt. And just look at this piece of paper. Look at this. 18th. It was signed by Judge Leftridge on the 18th. Yesterday, it wasn't signed. They had to scramble to find anything to keep Yak Gotti in jail. They had to scramble. And this garbage judge, let's just stamp the thing. This is so morally corrupt, folks. This is because DA Fani Willis is a poor loser. She can't stand that Yak Gotti was completely acquitted of all charges. So now she, her goons, her co-perpetrators, this is what they do. This, I'm so mad. I'm beyond words. I'm so mad. I'm beyond words. And now the rest of them. This is probably why you see so many plea deals in Fulton County. Because the administration, this one and the previous one, equally corrupt. Fonnie Willis, probably more. They would do anything to keep people in jail, including, but not limited to, lying in court, lying to judges who just accepts what's being presented to them. So now Yak Gotti has to stay in jail because probation violation from March. Remember, this is March 17th. March 17th of 2024. This supposedly happened. No, the assault was June 20th. June 20th. They could have done it by then. They could have done it by then. And all would have been resolved. No, they waited. They waited for the result. Oh, hold on. Sorry, folks. I was cooking while I saw the news, and I had to turn the stove off. It's just a little bit smoky. Yeah, but as I said, they could have done it back in June. They could have done it back in March, but they waited until they thought he was getting off. And this caught the defense team by surprise. Because everything was done and settled and everything. And now, through the Fonnie Willis administration and their gamesmanship, Yak Gotti has to stay in jail. We don't know for how long. I assume they are trying to make him plead to something, so that they can claim, hey, we got a conviction out of everybody. It's so stupid. It's so stupid. The sad part here, this won't go in front of Judge Whittaker. It's a separate case. It's a separate case. This will go up on Judge McBurney and the signee, or Leftridge, Melanie Leftridge. So Judge Whittaker is out of the loop, so she can't do anything about it. I don't know what's going to happen, folks. I'm just so angry. I wish I had good news, better news. It sounded on the judge or in the hearing that it was going to be settled, but it's not, folks. It isn't. Yak Gotti is in jail until, well, I guess if they are bringing charges, and that might take some time. There are people, remember, folks, there are people in Fulton County Jail waiting for trial who has been there for a year. They might just draw it out just to get revenge, because the jury saw the filth that the prosecution brought forward in the YSL trial. They saw through the lies. They saw through the corrupt witnesses, the state, the gang unit, gang experts. We all saw through it. And now the prosecution they're just out for revenge. And it's going to affect the one guy in the first YSL trial who actually got acquitted is the one guy they are keeping in jail. Well, except for Little Rod, of course, but he already was life in prison for a scam murder charge, a scam murder trial, and a scam conviction, in my opinion. And folks, how many more innocent people, how many more not guilty people who should be not guilty in a court of law is currently in prison because of these corrupt, morally, ethically, humanly corrupt individuals in the Fulton County DA's office? How many? Hundreds? Thousands? Don't know. I assume, until I'm told otherwise, and until I've seen the trial and read the transcript, I assume they all are. I assume they are all convicted because of gamesmanship. Yeah. Sorry for bringing you the bad news, folks. Sorry. But it has to be said. And you need the news. Thank you all for showing up. Hit the thumbs up, subscribe, you know all the deal. And I hope to bring you updates on this as soon as I get it myself. Okay? Have a good one. Until the next stream or video, hug your family. Unless your family is crap, then screw them and give your love to the people who deserve it. See ya.